My name is Emily, and I grew up Catholic. For me, I believed in God for the most part growing up. I remember thinking about Jesus, but there was so much I didn't know, and there was so much that I didn't understand, but I never really asked a lot of questions. I just kind of went with the flow. There were a few times that I can remember looking back and kind of mentally taking a step back and looking around me to whether it was people praying or just doing something in a mass or at the Catholic school that I went to, and kind of wondering, does anybody know what they're praying? Does anybody know the words that they're saying? Do they mean it, or is it just saying it just to be able to eat your meal or whatever it was? But then I never really pushed it beyond that. I would just go back to, it's just what we do, and I never really questioned it. I always felt that there were certain standards that needed to be kept, especially within the church, that there were just certain things that you did, and I would often just go through the motions, just play the part without even realizing that that was what I was doing. And all the while there was no authenticity. There was a lot of burdens from the mistakes that I was making or had made, and although I knew that people were making the same mistakes that I was or had made, I just seemed to get caught for those mistakes, but still it was making me feel as though I was not good enough, or I had failed in some way, and that I couldn't make the right choices. And that just increased my burden time and time again. And I also felt let down or burdened by the standards or requirements or whatever you want to call them that I did fulfill, in a sense, whether it was confirmation or going through the religion classes, even participating in certain church, I don't want to call them church functions, but if it was serving in a mass in some capacity. Not that those things are bad, and now where I'm at in my faith, I love serving my church. That's my family. But at that time, I did it as a means to redeem myself or do a better job. And I was let down or disappointed by how that didn't fulfill me, that didn't make me feel better, that didn't redeem me in any way. And I couldn't figure out how to do it. I often felt like it just was increasing that burden until it all kind of came to a point where it became unbearable when I was 17 and I got pregnant, and I was ashamed. I was so ashamed. It was all out there for everybody to see, this great sin that I had committed, and I felt like everybody was better than me. And I even started to wear a fake diamond ring on my wedding finger to church, hoping to kind of deflect people's judgment, even though it didn't really help. I didn't feel any better in doing that, and I eventually just quit trying church. I quit going. I thought I can't do this. I don't even want to try. It's not worth it. But that guilt and that shame just continued, and that emptiness, and I tried to find it a way to fulfill it in so many other ways that just led to more guilt and more shame and more self-destruction. And I broke at the age of 19 when I finally started listening to the Lord just calling me and trying to find really what God was about, really who was Jesus, those questions that I never bothered to find out before. And I knew I didn't want religion. I didn't want to try to find it in that capacity, but I just wanted to know purely and honestly about God. And that's when I found Jesus Christ, and that's when I accepted Him as my Lord and Savior. And that was it. That was the bottom line, that I didn't need to be good enough. I didn't need to be a certain way or do certain things to receive His love. That it was just there, just plain and simply, and that I was enough. And that's when I gave my life to Christ.